Welcome to our channel.
Food, fun and hum.
Assalamu alaikum and hello Zabardast people. We are back with Winterfest 2021. Time to hit the road और हम आपको लेके चलते हैं Winterfest 2021 के इवेंट पर. It's Friday evening और सर्दी बहुत हो रही है. It's the green signal or take a ride और यहाँ almost हम पहुँच गए हैं. Like in 3, 2, 1. We are there.
One way only, do not turn around, stay in your vehicle, follow the signs and
Those were some quick instructions and we are entering the drive-through. Welcome, I think, and that's the theme. We are not. Very beautiful ice carving, but हम आपको पहले night visit दिखाएंगे. Wow, check this out. So much details in there. I find this animation very attractive. Feels like I should keep looking at it. और मुझे इसका ये इफेक्ट बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. As soon as it goes to the very end, like this one. Okay guys, so let's keep moving. अगर दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो गई हो तो अभी बहुत कुछ है देखने के लिए. Wow, very good. Ta-da! कुछ ऐसा ही इफेक्ट आया था ना. I think थोड़ी सी लाइट स्नो सी. यहाँ पर हमारी एंट्री तो कुछ ऐसी होने जा रही है जैसे किसी का वलीमा हो. ट्रक भी बिल्कुल देसी वेडिंग्स की तरह से जाएगा. If somebody is missing India's or Pakistan's wedding entrances, this is the moment to enjoy. Right, वैसी ही feel आ रही है ना, like I took you to the past. मुझे वो सभी ऐसा लग रहा है कोई कैमरामैन कहेगा भाई इधर देखें, बहन जी थोड़ा इधर देखें. वाह, अमेजिंग, लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. लाइटिंग का जो इफेक्ट आ रहा है ना, ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. लुक एट दैट, ऑसम. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं नेक्स्ट. जबरदस्त, बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है. While north, I think the bird is trying to hunt this rabbit. And that's the moose in the middle of that forest. And here we have wolves. Some winter decorations, igloos, Christmas trees, and deers. और एक मेरी वीडियो आ रही है जिसमें मैं आपको deers दिखाऊंगा. So keep watching our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. जी हाँ, हमारे यहाँ कभी कभार रात में deers निकल आते हैं. Hey birdie, 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 we're not gonna fly at you. This one looks like a dragon to me. Zabardast. Very creative. I think I couldn't get it very well, but looks like an angel. You might want to say Bigfoot did it. Alright guys, let's quickly go back to earlier today. Okay guys, welcome again. और यहाँ पे ice carving और FM radio पे आप सुन सकते थे events live feed, and these gentlemen served us hot chocolate. It was so good.
Met up some people that work at the Ice Hotel, and all these two worlds really.
Thanks again guys. Hot chocolate was yummy.
Virtual Winterfest High on Ice. It is our signature winter event, and as with everything that's going on these days, it is a virtual event. So we really want to welcome.
During the daytime sculptures की कुछ और details आप notice करते हैं. I think this effect makes it more interesting.
So the theme for this year's High on Ice is We Are North, and all of the carvings have a northern or winter theme associated with them. So we want to first begin by extending our warm welcome to
once again one of my favorite animation of the event. So guys, I have a question for you. What comes before and after C in the extreme cold weather? Wow effect again. Yes, Olaf Putter, you gotta see this video till the end to find the answer.
On top of carving this year, there's going to be many activities that you can do at home or around town.
Not that I like roasting anybody, but ये हमारा ट्रक नहीं है और यहाँ पे लाइटें भी गुल हैं और यहाँ पे किसी की शादी नहीं हो रही है.
For all of the information, attitude, bad clothing, or bad equipment.
Hey, my name is Ryan Cook. I'm from Britannia Beach, British Columbia. Well, wood carving, I was on a television show called Saw Dogs. I was cast as the apprentice, and the quickest way to get through it is I fell in love with it very fast.
Hope you guys have figured out the answer to the question by now.
Chris Fultz was my mentor. He's been in Fort St. John for many years, and he brought me up to Fort St. John, where I began to learn to carve ice. Favorite events of the year. Every year it gets of some sort, and then also for those of us who are diehard Game of Thrones fans, they're gonna love it.
Hi, my name is Ross Baisas and Antonio Baisas. We came originally from Philippines, but now we're in Canada, living in Montreal, and he's from Ottawa. This is our second year, actually. We came here last year, first time, and we find it really, really amazing. They treat us very well. And you know, as a passion of what we do, we actually like it. You know, it's probably one of the event that we're wanted to.
So this one looks like a mark or two, I think.
Ross Baisas and Tony Baisas.
This one is like the title think these fishes need some water. I think this bear gonna eat my gimbal. Yes, this is my gimbal that I used today, and in the future I'll come up with a video about it. Yes, we are north and it's very cold, about minus 20ish I think. यहाँ का weather बहुत unpredictable है, you never know. I think this one on the left is a bit scary. Okay guys, before we end this video, the answer to the question is E and O. Hope you guys like this video. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.